And we're on offense, get 52 again. Well, you can't help but get 52 when he comes out because he's playing center. Back to the hole.
Damn, they the ones gonna throw the motherfucker. Hey, sure. There you go. There you go. Good shot, Jim.
Better throw that bitch
away. You better throw it away. Good job, buddy. That boy out there running for his life. That boy there running for his life. It's you, baby. Back up, baby. Hold him again. Good shot, Joe. Hit him. Better go out of bounds. No game. Hey, look, they crying for a penalty. Put the flag, ref, to give him a penalty. There you go, ref. That's the only way they gonna move the ball. Hey, you got two, Braylon. Get your ass in. You got two. Two is your guy. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. There it is. It's cool. I'll take it. You got two.
What I do?
Just tap and hold it by your phone at the home screen.
We got a lot in the back there. Texas. It's outside, so ain't in the neutral. You're not in the neutral.
Make your money, baby. Make your money.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, she ran it. Come back, come back, come back! Come back!
Good. I was over there, but I got now.
Come on, let me get into another seat. Over the middle, over the middle. Get out! Get out! Oh my God! Oh no! We needed an extra play. Hey, they over the field, go to play. They not gonna get it.
Where's Carmelo?
Yellow! Yellow! Is this under the radar right here?
I don't know none of them.
That's not no quarterback. Hey! Hey! Look! He got a hole! Elijah! Get your ass back! Bro, you gotta stop that.
All them kids that left the sideline need to be gone, man. All them people that left the sideline need to be gone.
Scary, bro. Non-scary, bro. Non-scary, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, boy. Hold on. Hold on.
Good work. Good work. One. Way to run, baby. Way to get back to football. Way to get back to football.
They about to run right here. Come this way.
Woo! 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 Oh, you got pancake! That's all day! Hey, they don't got nothing for that, Courtney!
Back up! Back up! Pancake City! Pancake City!
Hey, you sorry! him up! Blow him up! Blow him up!
Man down, man down.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
Put it, try the front top. I think it's better up there at the front top like that.
And subscribe to him.
Okay, this is your page right here?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at, okay. And then we can reach out to him and we can.
You done had a 12U, huh?
No, ma'am. Oh, he dragging him. Oh, yeah?
So you the one flying the drone?
Uh-huh.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get it, get it, get it. Oh! It'd be crazy your drone just fall. You flying it? Let me see. Can you squat down? Get up!
You welcome.
You did some music videos before?
I ain't did one, but I will.
I'm gonna call you.
All right.
Y'all can say, man, I'm taking y'all damn, y'all get back. I'm ready to go home.
Y'all coaches supposed to do that. We just back for y'all.
Yo, chill out, chill out.
Hey, look out, mister. This is my YouTube channel. I only got the drone view in case you want to check it out.
Already appreciate it, bro.
Look out, y'all. Hey, this is my YouTube channel.
Okay.
I got the drone view.
Okay.
That was me flying.
That was you flying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look out, mister. This is my YouTube channel for the drone view.
Okay.
Check out the drone.